Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. And here in this left section we have to scroll and find the apps. They are almost at the top. Then scroll and find Special App Access. And here localize the option Install Unknown Apps. So right here we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome, so from my browser, not from the Google Play Store. So let's simply tap on it, find it in the list, tap on it, and then tap on this switcher. As you can see, after getting back, the Chrome is now allowed to install something. Beware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.